the world is in trouble, not just the U.S. This is a global situation that is taking place, multiple situations that's taking place. I really had no idea I would be doing this type of story today. All I was trying to do was mind my business, go into this store that I went into. I was not expecting to see what I saw, although I did tell y'all in a previous video, once you start seeing this particular thing, you need to be not worried, but be concerned, okay? What's happening right now is horrible. They are quietly putting things in place for what's coming. You'll see as we get into the store and go through it. I actually cut a lot of the store walkthrough out because I kind of want to keep this video to that. I only showed you a little bit of things in the store as it pertains to, you know, stocking up, and you can stock up at this particular store. But I wanted to keep it focused, central on the fact that we're in a lot of trouble here. What's up, cousins? Welcome back to TommyBites Homestead. So before we do this store walkthrough, I'm sitting in the car. I need to give you a couple of news updates that's going on. There is a Macy's that is closing in Oregon, and there is a Walgreens that is also shutting down. Y'all know Walgreens is shutting down 1,200 locations, but they are about to shut down one of their locations around the end of the month. I'm looking for the date. So shoppers who frequent the Walgreens at 4014 Plaza, Goldorado Circle in Cameron Park, California, about 32 miles east of Sacramento, will be affected. Its permanent closing date is January 27th, 2025, that Walgreens will be shutting. By the way, the wind here is mad crazy. You hear me? It is cutting you deep. Some nice water bottles up there for $3. I'm about to do a water fast starting Sunday. Household items over here, cleaning supplies, trash bags, things for your car. You have toilet paper, paper towels over here on the $3 aisle. They're probably a little bit better than the other ones. Like these are double ply. This is the refrigerated area. Last time I came in here, which has been a long time. It's been a few months. They didn't have any food. This is the food aisle. You have your shelf stable milk. You have cereals in a bag. You have seasonings. It doesn't look too bad in here. Some gaps here and there, but for the most part, it don't look that bad. Got a shipment in, which is good because a lot of stores right now are not getting their shipments in because the truck drivers, some of them are getting stuck in the snow. Or I need to get one of these Dawns here. This is what I use, not the forks, but I use like the spoons and stuff to label my seedlings and my plants when I put them in the garden, just to save me money, because you get 48 of those for $1.25. So I'm at home right now, and you'll see me back in the store, and I'm going to show you what's happening. But I'm out here getting these animals together because the snow, the sleet, whatever, is supposed to come in tomorrow and also Saturday. So I'm going to show you these videos before we get into the store. Some of what is happening. Virus is spreading much faster. It's mutated. So check out this video that I did a month ago, and I'm
taking me out of the hospital. The doctor's coming in with gas masks and full-on bodysuits, signs on my door saying this room is highly contagious. It's a high-risk room.
The pain was so severe that I could barely sleep. Whether I was standing or sitting, it didn't really make a difference.
Part of prep is not just me sharing what I'm prepping or stocking up food, etc. It's about learning to grow, becoming your own store, however big or small it is, and being okay with what is happening, because you know that you are doing what you need to do at your house for emergency preparedness. Okay, like, I really do need y'all to support the videos that aren't news stories. Y'all, it's hurting my channel to do that, and I'm trying to bring y'all news you can use, but I'm also trying to bring you a better way to get your food than to go to the store and depend on that. Because what happens when that system is not working? You don't have the ability to have food unless you grow it. If something happens to the supply chain, or if the ports close, etc. So please support these other channels. It's really sad that I'm here begging on a homesteading channel that y'all watch. How much is that? Y'all see what I see? I told you, when you start seeing them, you need to worry. Not sure if y'all saw that, if y'all paid attention to that. I told y'all in a different video when I was talking about that HMPV and COVID and RSV and all that stuff picking up, you know, this time of year and getting worse and spreading. Listen, once you start seeing the 6 feet distance on the floor, more is coming, okay? You need to be not worried, but be concerned. This video did not start out like a news you can use. It was light news you can use, nothing heavy. This is heavy, y'all. This is, some people are going to say I'm fear-mongering with it. Say what you want to say. It is what it is. I'm just sharing it with you. What you do with it is up to you. I'm doing it because I care about you. I want you to know what is happening around you, because local news where I live and local news where you live is not going to be talking about this until it's a SHTF situation. So not only do we have the HMPV that is spreading kind of fast in China, and it's also spreading in the UK. It's also cases here in the US. And China's cases are starting to go up. So everybody needs to be not scared, not, you know, worried, but definitely keep that on your radar and try to protect yourself as best possible, whatever you decide to do. Whether you mask up or don't mask up. I can't say I don't care, because that's insensitive. That is up to you, what you do with your body.
Waste of words, waste of breath, 'cause I've got none to say. Thoughts stay burned inside my chest. Can't take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes to come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. There's ways to go, ways to leave. Been thinking about them all, 'cause life's too hard, life's too mean, but I can't just jump and fall.